So good morning everybody. So this is the next video of my channel, Ishika Banerjee, and here we will be starting with the very next chapter of biology, that is cell division. In the first chapter we have completed the concept of cell, where we have studied about the different types of cell organelles. Next we have studied about what are prokaryotic cells, what are eukaryotic cells, and different things. But here this chapter is very interesting because you will be learning about lots, like it is very interesting. It's like the base of genetics, because the next chapter which I will be teaching will be genetics, okay, and after genetics we will be entering human physiology, which is very interesting, where you will know about the different systems of our body, which is very interesting chapter. So today we will be starting with the second chapter, that is chapter number 2, which is cell cycle and cell division, where the concept of chromosomes also we will be studying. Okay, so the chapter number 2 here will be, this is chapter number 2. Okay, this is about cell cycle and cell division. This is a chapter, okay, cell cycle and cell division. Understand? So this is a chapter where we will be studying. Now before I write anything or before we go into anything, we need to understand few concepts which are very important for us to understand. First important thing you have to know, 3 terms you will come across. Okay, very important 3 terms. First I will be explaining these 3 terms, then I will be giving you the writing. One is amitosis, or amitosis also called. Second is mitosis, and third one is meiosis. These are the 3 terms which is very important, which we will be studying: mitosis, amitosis and meiosis. Okay, 3 concepts. Understand, these are the 3 concepts which we will be talking about. First, what is amitosis? Amitosis is that type of cell division which will be taking place only in the prokaryotic organisms. Okay, what are prokaryotics? Like the eubacteria, archaebacteria, they are basically, understand that they are basically something where normal cell division, like simple process of cell division takes place. Do not go into deep, just know amitosis means happening in prokaryotic organisms, and the process is very simple cell division will take place. But we will be concerning about meiosis and mitosis. Okay, what is mitosis? Mitosis is a type of cell division which takes place in the somatic cells of the body. Now what is a somatic cell is a question. So just need to understand, somatic cells means the body cells, the cells which are other than the reproductive cells. Okay, reproductive cells will come in meiosis, but in mitosis it is only the body cells. Okay, so what is mitosis? If they are saying, then just understand that mitosis type of cell division is a type of cell division where we will be talking about the body cells. Okay, here the body or the somatic cells. Okay, and mitosis, how does the cell division happen? It is known as budding, you can say, or you can say as binary fission. Okay, so these here, just remember this, that here in mitosis type of cell division, budding, and here will be here. In mitosis, it's mistake. Mitosis is a type of cell division where you will learn about the different organs. Just give me 1 minute, wait. Thing is, I was actually checking my mic. This is a different mic I am using. The earlier mic was different and this mic is different. So just I am just checking that whether it is okay or not, the sound quality or all. I hope it is okay. People please write whether this sound quality is okay or not, because in the previous videos I have realized that the sound was not a very good quality. So that is why I have taken this, but you have to at least say me whether it is proper or not. Okay, so I was explaining you about amitosis. The amitosis means 2 things. You have to understand that in amitosis it is taking place in prokaryotics. Prokaryotic. I have explained you what is prokaryotic earlier, and here simple division will happen. Simple cell division. Simple cell division. Just remember these 2 things. You don't need to know much about this. Meiosis is again important. Okay, mitosis and meiosis. So I have already explained that mitosis is a type of cell division where, understand that mitosis is a type of cell division where it will be taking place in the body cells or the somatic cells of the body. What is it? The body cells or the somatic cells of the body. Understand? So it will be taking place in the body cells or the somatic cells. Somatic cells. Understand? So it will be taking place in the body cells. Again, body cells are called somatic cells. If you don't understand what is somatic cell, no body cell. More you revise, you will understand. This is not a problem. So somatic cells, okay. What are body cells? What are somatic cells? I will be explaining you. Don't worry about it. Okay. So for the present being, you just need to understand that mitosis is a type of cell division which will be taking place in the body cells or somatic cell. Why we are doing mitosis type of cell division? Because we are doing mitosis because of the fact that cell will grow. For the growth and development of the cell, we are doing mitosis. For the growth and development of the cell, we will be doing for growth and development of cell. So for growth and development of the cell, we will be doing this. Okay. Second thing, you understand that the number of cells that are damaged in the body. I said there are trillions of cells in a body. Understand? So the number of cells which will be destroyed, that many number of cells only will be produced in mitosis. So suppose 50 cells. Suppose here I have got some problem and my cells I have got hurt in here and my cells have damaged. So suppose 50 cells are damaged. 50 cells only will be recovered. Okay. So this is called mitosis type of cell division. So number of cells destroyed, that number of cells only will be repaired. Okay, so number of cells, you can say number of cells that is damaged will be the same number of cells that will be repaired. That is what I have explained. Okay, so just remember, number of cells damaged is equal to number of cells repaired. Means suppose 50 cells are damaged, they will be making. Now question can come, what if they make, suppose here 50 cells are damaged and they are making 100 cells. So what will happen in that case? That case, a very big disorder can happen, that is known as disease can happen, that is called cancer. What is cancer? Cancer is basically nothing but if the number of cells in your body increases abnormally, that case is known as your cancer. So if in this type of cell division only, if the number of cells that is produced has increased to a suppose abnormal number, it has increased. In that case, whatever things, that is why it is said the number of cells that is damaged, that number of cells only we are requiring. We don't require any more number of cells. That is called mitosis type of cell division. Always when you study science, remember them in points. And I also write in points. I do not write in. If you have seen my previous videos, you will understand I don't write paragraph. Okay, I always write points because paragraph you will be getting in your books also. No need to remember paragraphs because you have proper knowledge about whatever exam you are giving. If you are giving any competitive exam with already in points, they do not ask you to write any big things. If you are giving any board exam, then I know that this is study of class 9-10. You know proper English. What you need to know is the basic facts about the topic. So here I am giving the facts. If you want me to write proper sentences, but that is not needed. That is written in your book. What is your work is you have to write the point wise. First you write, then you open your book, underline because everything is in your book. Nothing more it is. And if I teach you anything which is not there in your book, I always mention it that this is not there in your book. You can just know this is it's not bad to know more. To know less is bad. Always say. So yeah. Next I will be talking about this meiosis. Meiosis is the type of cell divisions which will be taking place in the reproductive cells. Okay, where it will be taking place? It will be taking place in the reproductive cells of our body. Reproductive cells. Okay. So meiosis is the type of cell division which will be taking place in the reproductive cells. That is, the testes will be giving us the sperm and the ovaries will be giving us the ova. Understand? So here you have to understand that it will be taking place in the reproductive cells of the body. Understand? It will be taking place in the reproductive cells of the body. So this is the important fact you just need to understand. in a body. Suppose this place I have got wound or this is broken. So for repair purpose only we need cell division. Also for growth, like when you are this much, when you are born this much, you have increased in your length, right? So that is what the cells are increasing. So if the question comes, why is cell division important? Your three important facts should be for repair of any damaged cell, for replacement of any cell. Suppose any cell we need to replace because that cell is injured or damaged cell, then we need cell division, and also for growth purpose. So these are the three things why we need cell division. So if the question comes, why is there the need of cell division, then three important things you have to write. One is for growth. Okay. Next, for repair. And third is for replacement. So these are the three things why we need cell division. Understand? So basic point or basic thing which is important is, first is you have to know what is mitosis. Mitosis, two things to remember. Mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis, body cells or the somatic cells. Meiosis means it is a reproductive cells. This is very important fact you need to understand. And why is cell division important? It is important for your growth, it is important for your repair, and it is important for any replacement of any injured or bad cells we needed. Okay. Here it is very important for two terms you need to understand here. One is body cells, here body cells or the somatic cells, and here is the reproductive cells. And mitosis is just not there, you have to just remember out. Now I will be showing you the difference between what is the difference between mitosis and what is the difference between meiosis, which is important for you to know. Okay. So this is part 1, basic thing with mitosis, meiosis. Second video, what is the difference between mitosis and meiosis. So I am ending this video here. Please do like, share and comment the video. Okay. And so see you in the very next video. Just one thing, it was a gap of 4 days between the earlier video and this video, but I will be trying to be very regular with the videos. Okay. So thank you, and please do share some love, and please share your views and share it to the people who actually need the video. So thank you so much.